So lesson 6.1 is about debit card details. And it starts off about withdrawing money. There are many ways to withdraw money from your account. An automatic electronic transfer, which is an online payment that is automatically deducted from the account balance on a recurring basis. Some examples of that. These are things that I use it for. So I get paid on the 20th. So I have a lot of things set for the 22nd or some for the 23rd to pay the cable bill, the internet bill, the lights, energy bill, my car insurance. If I had a car payment, I'd probably do it that way too. So you can write a check, which is just a printed form directing a bank where you have an account to withdraw money from an account and pay it to another person, another account. Your ATM card you can use at an ATM machine to accesses a computer network. It's attached to that bank that allows the bank customers to get cash, make deposits, or to transfer money between accounts, say your savings and your checking account. Debit cards are a pay right now, swipe your debit card at the point of sale. Transactions that replaces cash and checks. Deducted electronically from your savings or checking account. I'm going to from there to write that. Electronically from your savings or checking account. If you notify the bank, here's the deal. If you notify the bank within 2 days of discovering an unauthorized transaction, and that happens, be aware that you should be looking every day at your bank account, because if somebody steals your debit card, that word is unauthorized transaction, your maximum liability is $50. So if somebody gets $300 out of your checking account unauthorized, and if you catch it within 2 days and call the bank, then your maximum liability is $50. However, if you do not notify the bank within the first 2 days, you could lose up to $500. So it's worth your time to look at your bank account every day. We have this billing act called the Fair Credit Billing Act that allows you to withhold a payment on poor quality or damaged merchandise, on incorrectly billed items until the problem can be solved. When you buy these items with a debit card, the payment is immediately transferred from your account to the merchant's account. So it's more difficult to dispute a purchase. How do we avoid overdraft fees? I hate overdraft fees, but it happens sometimes. So an overdraft fee is based on your financial institutions, provided by financial institutions. Banks, savings, to generally approve and pay overdraft transactions when the account holder, that'd be you, does not have enough funds to cover the transaction. So let's say you've got zero money in the bank and you write a check to buy gas to get you through till payday. That would be an overdraft fee. You have to figure that in. So instead of just buying $50 worth of gas, you're going to get charged an overdraft fee unless you have some other account set up where you could overdraft up to $500 or something each month. Financial institutions are now required to provide customers a notice that explains overdraft services. So if you get overdrafted, they're going to send you a little letter in the mail, and you must be given a choice as to whether the overdraft fee service will apply to your debit card and ATM transactions. So how do you keep track of your money? Well, I keep track of mine online. And that's where most banks, all banks usually, provide account information online. So I have an app on my phone that goes with my bank account that I can look at my bank. I can also transfer money. Like if I want to send my mom money for something, I can send her money. An online statement is not always a reliable reflection of the bank account balance. There still may be some checks that you wrote that are out, not posted, or recurring electronic transactions that may be scheduled to come out that hadn't done so yet. I don't write checks. I do have recurring payments on my card, and I use my debit card for all purchases. I very rarely pull cash out of my bank account, but I do keep a little cash in my billfold every month, just in case, I need to give somebody $10 for helping me change a flat or something. Anyway, that's it for lesson 6-1. Good luck.